Hello, travelers. Welcome back to Traveling Beyond Boundaries. My name is Michelle. Today, I want to share with you guys how I packed my daughter's tube supplies for her very first cruise. So let's get started. So my daughter has a G tube, but this would work probably for any type of feeding tube. And so I just got one of these Gonex travel organizer, toiletry organizers, and packed everything in there. Mind you, our next cruise, I've learned some stuff about my daughter's needs, so I won't be using this for that. But anyway, on the side here, there's some pockets. You can easily put some smaller syringes or something in there. There's another one on this side here. She's pushing it away. Over here, same thing. There's the zipper pocket in here. So this is where I just put her extension kits for her G-tube. Extension kits are in there. But this is my favorite thing. So you unzip this. So once it's unzipped, you open it up, and there's wonderful hanging hook. And so we were able to just hang this right up in our stateroom, in our cruise cabin, but you can easily hang it up in any closet whatsoever. And it just keeps everything organized without taking up any space because it's hanging in a room, hanging in the room. Anyway, I'm going to quickly show you the rest because she's starting to fuss. So in this pocket, I just have the connector adapter things. And then in here, I just shoved all the bags ever. And this is what's changing with this cruise and next cruise. Next cruise, I'm only bringing syringes because the bags, we didn't really use them. No, we use them here, but we didn't use them on the ship. So we're not bringing the bags. And then as you can see, this was a little thing that we got from some lady. Anyway, as you can see, once I take out all the bags, there's like lots of room in here. So I don't know that I'm going to bring this bag. I might pack like snacks or something. I don't know. We'll see. But in here fits syringes really well. And then you can kind of store syringes on that side too. And then in here I have some of the smaller syringes that we only really need them in an emergency and for stuff like tube checks and whatnot. So yeah, but it's very big, and especially if you have lots of supplies, it folds down really nicely. Oh, look how flat that gets. Oh, maybe I will bring this. So my worry was that it was going to take up too much space, but without the bags in there, it folds down really flat. I think I'm actually going to bring this after all. No? I think we will. Anyway, so I love this thing, just hung up so nicely and kept everything so organized, which is why now that I see that it's not as big when it only has the syringes in it, I think I am going to bring it. I just liked having everything in one place and not needing to unpack any of the stuff. It's like, oh, here we go. It goes, the end. So I think I am going to do that. Anyway, put your shirt down. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any tips and tricks for packing or feeding tube on vacation. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.